Welcome to Theatr Brycheiniog's Cultural Cafe. We've asked designer Harry Pizzey to create a wonderful environment for our reopening, which you can see behind me. 62 members from 18 different community groups have been drawn in this wonderful environment, marking the people that we're missing at this particular time. When you get here, it'll be a super socially distanced cafe on our stage and in our auditorium, and you can safely come in through our large dock doors and enjoy refreshments in an enhanced safe environment. We hope you will come, and I look forward to seeing you here. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Harry Pizzey. I'm a theatre designer, and I was part of the Cultural Cafe as the designer. The brief was really amazing, saying that we could do anything we want with this theatre space, but also we wanted to include all of the users, because there are so many user groups. They make the Theatr Brycheiniog special because there's so many of them and there's so many different types of people who use it, and that was really what I wanted to celebrate. Literally drawing the people who use this space, drawing them and making them huge and filling and populating this space that would be empty if Theatr Brycheiniog hadn't kind of been really resourceful and creative in the way they're using it.
Hello, my name's Phil Clark and I'm a professional theatre director, and I live here in Brecon. I'm a Brecon boy, and I have been involved with the theatre and everything that is happening around the Cultural Cafe. I know to you it's been closed, but inside it's been full of creativity and ideas and invention. There's two poems that we have commissioned as part of the Cultural Cafe. These are two artists that have been part of this incredible installation. The installation is beautiful, it is moving, it is about people, it is a celebration of community, it's a celebration of invention and ideas. The film that we've made with two actors, Louise Collins and Gareth John Bale, When the Night Fell, is a beautiful, beautiful poem written by Mr. Thomas from Brontlis, a young emerging artist and writer. Terrific to have him working with us in the theatre. And what's for me important is it's his response to the empty space of theatre and what it means. It has been a time that art can flourish. When the night fell, there was a new dawn, and this is a new dawn. And though it took our breath away, it has given us a new voice. Thank you.
So When the Night Fell is inspired by the fact that this experience suddenly landed on all of us, seemingly without warning, how we all had to find our way through it. So many of us have gone through things like loss and had to say goodbye to people in strange ways. So that idea that we all had experiences, it's the first time it's felt like maybe it is coming to some sort of end, and things aren't going to be exactly the same, but it's going to be a kind of new normal. And the fact that, you know, we're in a theatre today is a really nice position to be in.
Hi, my name is Liz Morrison, and I wrote an epic poem for Theatr Brycheiniog called It Took My Breath Away. It's a response to the pandemic, to the very quick way in which the whole world had to close down, including the theatres, the creative industries and the people who work within them.
My name's Owen Shears, I'm a writer and a poet, and I'm standing in the now open Cultural Cafe of Theatr Brycheiniog. It's such a powerful reminder that although we've missed theatres as buildings, in themselves they're actually nothing without these people. Without the people on the stage, and without the people watching them, and without everyone else who uses it in so many different ways. So thank you so much, Theatr Brycheiniog, for making this possible. Diolch yn fawr iawn, and I can't wait to come in here and see what happens.
Our reopening and this Cultural Cafe would not have been possible without the huge support of our funders. We wish to thank at this time our funders, the Arts Council of Wales, the National Lottery Programme, our stakeholders, the Arts Council of Wales, Brecon Town Council and Powys County Council, and of course Harry Pizzey, the designer himself, and also all of the participants who've been involved in the design for this Cultural Cafe, all of those organisations that we're missing at this time that have put forward individuals to be pictured. We also wish to thank all of the hard-working staff and trustees here at Theatr Brycheiniog. Without their huge work and support, this would not have been possible. Thank you all.